What we are having now is the change in internal energy of an ideal gas when volume changes from V to 2V at constant pressure P is. So, we need to find out the correct relation for internal energy. So, most of the time we use the symbol U for internal energy. Okay. U. Otherwise, for change in internal energy, we mention change in internal energy, we use the symbol delta U. Okay. So, now what we have to think is about delta U. Change in internal energy stands for the amount of energy that absorbed, right? So, energy absorbed or changed, okay, absorbed by the gas for the change in temperature, for the change in temperature. So, this is having a relation further like this. Delta U is equal to Cv into delta T. What actually this Cv is? Cv stands for the specific heat of the gas, right? Specific heat of the gas at constant volume. So, for this, what we can do for that is Cv is nothing but F divided by 2 into R. Here, the letter F stands for degrees of freedom. Okay, so degrees of freedom of the gas, and R is universal gas constant, right? Universal gas constant. And what is delta T? So, that can be found by knowing the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equals nRT if we are having only 1 mole. Okay, so for n is equals 1 mole, what we can write, which is PV is equals RT. If V changes on one side, then T should change on the other side. Okay, so that means what I can write, P into delta V is equals R into delta T. That means delta T is nothing but P into delta V whole divided by R. Now we are having two results, one is for Cv and another one is for delta T. Okay, so just by knowing these two relations, we can make substitutions in this particular equation, right? In this particular equation, delta U is Cv into delta T, right? So, delta U is the internal energy, change in internal energy, which is equals Cv into delta T. Otherwise, what I can do for the delta U is equals Cv is F divided by 2 into delta T. So, delta T is P delta V divided by R. Further, I can do something where F is degrees of freedom, what I already said. This can be converted in terms of gamma, where gamma is Cp by Cv, which is ratio of specific heat of gases. Otherwise, I can write gamma is 1 plus, which is 2 divided by F. So, for this what I can do, which is nothing but 2 divided by F which is gamma minus 1, and here we are having f by 2, right? We are having f by 2, and here we are having f2 by f. That means what actually f divided by 2? So f divided by 2 is 1 divided by gamma minus 1, right? So just make use of that relation here, right? So I may put something here which is nothing but f divided by 2, and don't forget this r along with this CV, because we must know CV is nothing but f by 2 into r, right? So I have forgotten r here. Let me make some correction just before making the substitutions, right? So here it comes. What I must write? So I must write r along with f, right? So now I should make substitution for f by r alone. So what actually f by r? I mean f by 2. F by 2 is 1 divided by gamma minus 1. That means delta u is equals 1 divided by gamma minus 1, and I don't forget this r to write r into p into delta v and whole divided by r. These two r get cancelled, and what finally I got? Delta u is equals, it is p into delta v divided by gamma minus 1, and this is the result what you have to identify in the given options, right? So p into delta v divided by gamma minus 1. You just check which one is correctly saying p into v divided by gamma minus 1. Here is the answer. That means option C is correct.